first time? You excited to get it on trail for the first time? Pop a few wheelies. Woo! Tango spotted. Boys, so getting a video out today. Woo! I hope the angle's better. I don't know, I'm experimenting, we'll get it right. We're up here at the park right now. I realized in the park on the last video we didn't get anything good. You want to do a wheelie? You want to do a wheelie? He's new. This is the first time. Wee, wee. It's the po-po. Oh God, what the heck? It's a garbage bag. Oh my God, this is bumpier than Betty White. A huge gravel pile here. You used to get some air. Ugh. This is his first time on the trail with it, so he's learning. Can't really judge him too hard. Alright, now we're out here at the abandoned house. I realized in the last video I rode out here, but y'all couldn't see Jack. Oh. You good?
Yeah, I'm alright. Oh, that hurt.
What'd you do? Hey, you gotta learn it. Dang, I'm just sitting there burning mine. Y'all good in the hood?
No, I'm hurt.
I'd say you just broke your sack, bro. I think he broke your sacramus.
Yeah, alright, go on.
I'll stay here with you. I'll cruise around and talk to the peoples because I don't want to leave you and you can't get it started or something. I'll pump a few wheelies in there. Man, it won't pop. Whee! Oh God. I don't know what the heck. I don't know why I did that. Gonna say hi, Big Red?
Howdy.
Man, every video we've ever done, you're always getting hurt. Every video he's in, he's getting hurt. Whoa, you're gonna bump start it down this? Yeah. Did you forget about the massive dip?
Yeah.
Oh, I was about to say, don't do that. Ow.
I don't care.
Alright, let's do it. I'm staying behind you so I get footage. Oh, you got it. Never mind. Here he goes, boys. Let's see how he handles it. I think he's got it. He's learning. It's his second day on the bike. Well, really his first day. He only had like an hour last night. So, it's his first day on it. Here he goes. There we go. Man, them massive tires I put on it, they eat. See where he wants to go. He needs to go somewhere because he's learning. I figured it'd be out here. Will he open it up down through here though? It's a question. I know, that thing's pretty easy bump start. How you liking it so far?
I like it. Yeah, it's a good bike.
Heck yeah.
Did you tell the viewers how much I paid for this?
No, I did not. I thought if you want to disclose that, you can.
Alright, I paid $1,000 for this and I bought it off of Devos.
Well, I'll come up here. Alright. Explain yourself.
Anyway, yeah, I bought it for $1,000 off of you.
Yes, it did.
It was a good bike. But
Oh.
best $1,000 I've ever invested.
We done a good amount of work to this puppy, as y'all can see. Put brand new tires on it.
Because
Huh?
I can't get off of it.
Yeah, it has no kickstand, sadly. Well, guys, on the 250, the kickstand
It's non-existent.
is your wild. The world is your kickstand with the YZ.
Well, I mean,
I wonder how the view is on this puppy. Let's see, is she even recording?
what would happen if I...
Is she recording? Oh, I think it looks pretty good for once. Holy crap. Last video I screwed up because I messed up the angle. I was looking at my nuts and my knees the whole time. So, yeah. Oh, take a little rest, dude. It's hotter than piss.
Some cigarettes, dadgummit. First I broke my sack, I ain't had a cigarette today. Today's going horrible.
No. But it's going to be redeemed with the 250 riding.
It better.
Okay, so guys, the surprise for you that I haven't told you yet is we got something new on the way. They received the order this morning. They're getting everything organized and set up. But a little backstory behind this. When I got the Apollo 125, I said, when I was looking at them before and everything, I was like, well, these bikes are just some cheap, junky Chinese pieces of garbage that probably won't last a month. Okay? I spent the $850 some, got my first Apollo, the 125, and I loved it. I fell in love with it. And then I have decided to make a big step up. We just purchased the Apollo DB 36 250cc 4-stroke. 5-speed manual clutch, air cooled. She's mean, 17 horsepower.
Yours is air cooled. My nuts are burning up right now.
This thing did have an air cooler on it, but I don't know what happened to it.
Yeah.
Had a little air cool fan.
Yeah. After you ride for a while, you know, you just start getting used to your nuts being on fire.
Oh yeah, once you get used to this thing, you're used to kicking it and you don't have to bump it no more. It's got like a lot of compression for him because it's probably more than your body weight of compression it has, honestly.
To be honest, yeah.
It probably is. It probably is. So yeah, he has an issue getting it kicked to start, so he's got to bump it.
I bump it everywhere I go, to be honest. I had to bump it earlier right in the middle of the road.
I know.
That's funny. No, I'm talking about, you missed it. I was coming back out of Mac Roberts, and you know, right there at the intersection where that stop sign got run over.
Yeah.
Had to pull it over, take up the finish line, run it back down.
Oh jeez. Sucker's on 26%. I didn't have it full charge, dang.
How long does the 26% go?
It might last another 10 minutes, maybe.
10 minutes.
If I'm lucky. Well guys, I think we'll end the video there. Just giving you guys a little update and surprise. We're gonna try to get more trail riding footage out. This is Big Red and he's back, boys.
Yep.
He's back and he's got the big old 250. You're gonna see him more often.
Mm-hmm.
We might even let him ride the 125 a few times on the trail when I get mine in, my 250.
I'd like to actually take that thing trail riding.
Oh yeah, it's fun, dude.
It's actually got a better, you know, shock than this one does. If it would have had a original 250 shock on it, I wouldn't nuts.
I was thinking about putting YZ250 shock on that thing. That'd have done so much better. Like an MX shock, not no street. It done better.
Don't get me wrong, it's a good shock and I can actually touch the ground. It's just, I don't like busting my sack like I did before.
That's true. Well, boys, thank you all for watching. Thank you for 300 subscribers. And thank you for all the views we've been getting on the YouTube channel. Yeah, we're growing, dude. Thank you guys so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And you got anything to say, Big Red?
Well, you know, I really ain't been making YouTube that much. And that's because, you know, I'm not a little kid who sits in my room no more. I actually get out and do things now.
Yeah, but now we got the GoPro so we can get out and do things and film it at the same time.
Yeah. Or you could just be like me with my phone. Let's go!
All right, boys. Is there a famous Big Red quote of the day?
Yep. Live life to the fullest and take a shit ton of risks, because that's what I'm doing by riding this bike.
All right, guys. You heard it from Big Red. Push it to the limits. Thank you guys for watching, and peace out, everybody.